looking good, Batch.
Yes. Look at this. This hammer is splinter-proof.
Wow, I like it.
Oh,
how you doing?
Warming his hands.
Working hard, are you there, Bob?
The heat is now working.
Oh, great. How you doing, Joe?
Playing around. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Matt. Hello.
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 Stop it and have them switch.
Hey, great job, guys.
There's the disappointed central vacuum cleaner installation man.
I don't have to do any work here! Yay! It was a pleasure working with you. I'm glad I could be here of assistance to you all. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, Joe. Long day, huh, Keith?
Yep, sure was. Is.
Coming along, I bet.
Everything is beautifulness embodied in wood. Thanks to yours truly. Do you know that I take up all the slack in the crew?
That is absolutely not true. If it wasn't for me, you'd never get anything done.
What? You guys are both taking up the slack? You guys are the slack on the crew.